Birdwatching.
Hi Discover PNG family, this is Taita and thank you for joining us again for another feature story as we talk about great Papua New Guineans doing good things in the community. Meet Helen. She is a tour guide and the owner and operator of a tour company called Sepoe Village Bungalows. Sepoe Village Bungalows is located in Kerema, Gulf Province. Kerema is almost 5 hours outside of Port Moresby and it is known for its sago, art and craft, fish, and it is rich in oil and gas resources. We just want to say thank you to Helen of Sepoe Village Bungalows. She supplied us all the images for this video. We were not able to go and film her beautiful bungalows, but she was kind enough to supply us with the images that you will see throughout this video. So Helen started her business after she was inspired by a past working experience. See, the organization that she worked for organized Australian students to visit PNG, and they lived in the local villages, they experienced the life, food and the culture. Helen remembers how happy and the positive impact from their time that they spent in those villages that she wanted to create a similar experience but in her village. So she started her business, Sepoe Village Bungalows. So she offers the cultural village experience. She also offers tattooing, traditional fishing, shark fishing, sago-making and cooking, storytelling with the chiefs, war relics, and just a genuine village experience for travelers. The great thing about Helen is that she not only gets her village involved, but surrounding villages involved when she takes travelers out for a tour. So let's hear what she has to say.
When I take all my tourists into my village, all the events plus the food stuff that I get to feed the tourists, and I also invite them to come and do the markets. So they bring the artifacts, oil, coconut soap, mats, all this stuff, and they display it for the tourists to buy. And also the events that I take, I do in the village, like the canoe fishing, traditional dancing, sago-making, coconut, all these things are shared amongst the villages. So every village takes part in when the tourist comes. So all the cash is shared. So it's not just one village is taking all the money, but at least somebody gets something. But I'm always looking at the ones that are very unfortunate. That is my priority to my family, to choose those ones first before the others that are okay. So I look at widows and I look at single mothers. I look at unfortunate families that don't have people supporting them. I go in and I talk to them to bring the stuff to me. So I help those people first priority before the others. So the people that are choosing my village bungalows are not just helping me, but also helping the community. So that's what I do for my people.
Helen can be contacted on her Facebook page, but she's also listed on our website. Our website is www.discoverpng.com, and under the tour operator category, you can find Sepoe Village Bungalows. If you're in the tourism industry and you would also like to be on our website, please visit our website and go to our Contact Us page and fill in the form that's located there. Thank you, Discover PNG family, once again for joining us, and we will see you next time.